Briarbush Nature Center. Welcome to Magic Morning Home Edition. I just want to say thank you to all of my families and kids that have been sending me emails and pictures of your crafts and questions. They totally make my day, so please keep them coming, and I really appreciate all of you reaching out. Today, we are going to talk about spring weather. What does spring feel like? When we imagine spring, we often think of warm, sunny, calm weather, but that is not always the case. Sometimes spring can be cold and snowy and windy and cloudy and rainy. So, what is the weather like where you are today? We are going to read a story about a stormy spring day. Waiting Out the Storm, written by Joanne Early Mackin and illustrated by Susan Gaver. Mama, yes, Buttercup, what's that I hear? It's only the wind in the treetops, my dear. Why does it whistle? A storm's on the way. The wind calls the raindrops to come out and play. They come when the wind calls. They burst from the clouds, skipping and leaping and laughing out loud. They spin and they tumble, they bounce on the breeze, they dance to the tune of the wind in the trees. Mama, yes, Buttercup, what's that I hear? That's just the rumble of thunder, my dear. It's too loud, I'm afraid. Oh, it's only a sound. Thunder stomps, thunder stumbles and bumbles around. What is it doing? It's racing up high, chasing the lightning all over the sky. But lightning's too tricky. It stops and it starts. It flashes and dashes between the raindrops. What will the turtles do? Oh, don't you fret. Turtles like being outside when it's wet. Like ducks? Yes, ducks paddle in water all day. Puddles are ducks' favorite place to play. What about chipmunks? They snuggle together deep in their burrows in wet, windy weather. And birds, where do birds go? Beneath Mama's wing, when rain fell and winds blow, Mama bird sings, hush little chickadees, never you fear. There, you're safe now, and I'm right here. We're comfy inside, yes, we'll stay dry and warm, cozy together here out of the storm. Tomorrow the sun will shine, then we'll go out to play. We'll splash in the pond like ducks do all day. But for now, let's just watch. It's a wonder to see. I'm so glad I have you to share this with me. So come, darling Buttercup, here where it's warm. Like chickadee babies, we're safe from the storm. While winds blow and rains fall, we'll wait out the weather. Cozy as bunnies, yes, snuggling together. April showers bring May flowers, so let's make our own rainstorm. Can you make the sound of the wind? Now, raindrops, just a light drizzle. Then the rain gets a little harder and a little faster. Then it starts to pour. Oh, we need some thunder too, so make some thunder, stomp those feet. Now the storm's starting to blow away. It's getting quieter until there's just a few raindrops left. Great job making a rainstorm. Now let's go check out a video of all the different spring weather we have had so far this year. Come on. Can you hear that sound? What is it? Can you see them? Oh, there's puddles and raindrops. Listen. Spring weather is full of all sorts of different kind of weather. We have rainy days, we have sunny days, we have cold days like today, and warm days. You can see it has rained a lot today. Puddles, puddles everywhere. Now a fun thing to do on a rainy day is go out and jump in some puddles, as long as it's okay with your grown-ups. Definitely a solid cloudy day. It's a little chilly. Usually it is that way in the morning in the springtime, and then it gets warmer in the afternoon. But we're hoping for it today. Maybe we'll see the sun again soon. As you can see, it is a beautiful, warm, and sunny spring day with just a sprinkling of clouds. I hope you got out and got to do something fun today. Look at my car. Can you see what's happening? Yes, it's a snow flurry in April. It is a beautiful day today. Can you hear that sound? Can you see? That's the wind. Spring can have very windy days. What's something you like to do on windy days? Maybe fly a kite. It is a sun shower. Can you hear the raindrops? This is another kind of spring weather, perfect for seeing rainbows. We have seen a lot of spring weather. How about we make a cloud rain? For this activity, you will need a cotton ball, an eyedropper, a cup with water in it, and a bowl. Clouds are formed when water on the earth heat up and evaporate or rises into the sky. In the cloud, the water vapor cools off and begins to fill up the cloud, called condensation. When the cloud gets too heavy, water falls from the sky, called precipitation. All right, pretend you are holding a cloud. How does it feel? Is it light? Is it heavy? Is it wet? Is it dry? Now, we are going to pinch one side of the cotton ball with your pointer finger and your thumb. Now, you're gonna put your eyedropper in the water, squeeze the top, and then let it go slowly, and it sucks the water up. Now, you are going to hold the cotton ball over the bowl, and you're slowly going to fill up your cotton ball. What do you notice is happening to the cotton ball? You may have to get some more water from your eyedropper. Make sure you put water all around your cotton ball cloud. Oh, I noticed something. What do you see? What is happening? Yes, our cloud is raining. Now, after we finish, you can put your eyedropper down, and I want you to feel, how does your cotton ball feel now? Is it heavy? Is it light? I definitely think it feels much heavier. What about wet and dry? It's much wetter. Now, what we can do is we can squeeze all of the water out of our cotton ball, just like after it rains. Now feel it. It's back to being lighter and only damp. Now you can keep doing this with your cotton ball. You can keep filling it up and making it rain. Oh, a little drizzle going on there. Oh, now it's pouring. So you can keep going and playing with that. Make sure it's okay with your grown-up. So today for craft, we are going to make a spring picture with some paint and crayons. You'll need a cotton ball or a cotton pad, a clothespin, a piece of construction paper, and something to put our paint in. First, we are gonna wanna draw a nice big sun. You can also, as another option, if you are working with scissors and you want to practice, you could always cut out your sun. I always like to make rays. And then I'm going to make a nice rainbow in the sky. Get all the colors of the rainbow in there. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. For time's sake, I am not going to color mine in, but you definitely should. Now, I am going to put some paint into the container. I am going to take my cotton pad and put my clothespin on it, like so. Make it nice and fluffy at the end. I'm gonna dip it in, and we are going to make nice puffy clouds. Because to have a rainbow, we need, do you remember? We need sunshine, we need rain, and we need definitely to have these white big puffy clouds and some gray clouds to make rain. I like to spread mine out, make it kind of thicker in some areas and thinner in others. Coming apart a little bit, that's okay. And of course, you can add some raindrops. Probably should have done that in the beginning, but not exactly sure where my cloud was going to be. So I'm just going to add them at the bottom right now. And there you have it, your spring weather craft. I hope you enjoyed learning about spring weather. Be sure to try the Spring Weather Fun Checklist as an extension activity. Make sure to stay curious, explore nature, and have a magic morning. Till next time.